Hindi naman lahat ng presidente gusto mong mamatay. I'm urging all our party officials and members to remain focused on our mission of uplifting the quality of the life of the Filipino people, especially now that we are still grappling with the challenges brought by the COVID-19 pandemic. I have read that. Let us not be blinded by our own ambitions, and let us not allow this party to be used to advance personal interest. You know, sa totoo lang, yung akin is was just a reaction to the foolish statements of itong mga dilawan, threatening me as if I am, parang bata ba ako, na pagbaba mo, may kaso ka. Putang ina mo, Trillanes, akala mo abogado ka, sige, subukan mo. Tignan natin kung tamang